with the topic we're going to talk about today is funnels and traffic. So one of the things that I said yesterday was all about taking action, all about actually getting the foot in the door, actually getting some rubber on the road, some tyres on the road, some skin in the game, whatever you want to say, whatever the analogy you're going to relate to, is just about getting something done and making some progress. So one of the things that people tend to struggle with is their sales funnel. There are a lot of moving parts to a sales funnel. There's a lot of technical aspects to it. You've got to do a video, or you've got to do some sort of an advert. You've then got to put a follow-up series in place. You've got to connect all that to your autoresponder, and all these technical things. It only takes one thing or one part of it for someone to get stuck, and suddenly, the momentum stops. A sales funnel needs to be tested. It needs to be tested in real life. So you might do a sales funnel, and it might not attract anyone. It might get loads of clicks, and it might not convert anybody into a customer. So sales funnels are kind of their art, their science, and their psychology all wrapped into one. Talking about traffic, that could be a whole video series in itself. But the thing about traffic is there are so many traffic sources that you can go on. You can go on solo ads, pay-per-click, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, SEO, Bing ads. The list really is becoming endless. And what tends to happen is that people will try something and not master it. So maybe they'll try solo ads and it won't work. Okay, I tried solo ads, I got a few people to engage, but I didn't get any sales. So in their mind, solo ad rubbish. Okay, let's go and do something else. Right, let's do Facebook ads. Okay, right, Facebook ads. What happened? Well, my account got shut down. Okay, Facebook ads rubbish. Okay, and then they just go round and round and round. And before you know it, you've spent a lot of money on traffic that hasn't converted. Okay, so the key with traffic, the secret for today with traffic, is you pick one strategy that you like, you get good at it and you master it, and before you move on to something else. Now I know people that have just used Facebook ads solely in their career and done multiple seven figures in a very short amount of time because it's something that you can scale. So there's a couple of secrets for today. Number one is, if you're going to get started from scratch, use a done-for-you system that have got done-for-you sales funnels that are proven to convert. And number two, of course, with traffic, pick one strategy. Don't be tempted to do anything else. Don't be tempted to stray off and do something else. Hopefully that will convert because it's different, blah, blah, blah. One strategy, one mastered traffic strategy, and you will be successful. It's been a pleasure speaking with you as usual, and I will see you tomorrow in the next video. Speak soon.